Join me and let's make a dress for my sister's graduation. Yes, so my younger sister is graduating from the university and I need to make this dress for her. So she brought her own style for me to make. In fact, I had less than 5 days to make this dress and it was hectic. So I'm going to make the inner part using Paradise. Yes, it was hectic. I decided to make a corset dress for her. Yes, and doing that in 5 days, I was in a rush because that is not the only thing I'm doing. I'm doing other things too. So working under pressure. Charlie, you watch this video. It's a bit long, but I bet you are going to enjoy every bit of it. So this is me cutting the down parts. So I did it a dartless skirt. I mean, I don't remember the last time I made skirt with darts. I've been doing dartless skirt for some time now, a very long time. I think that one it's quick for me. So this is the down part that I'm making. My sister graduated from the University of Education, Winneba. Charlie, I'm so happy for her. So I'm almost done cutting the down part of the dress. Yes, I already had a corset pattern for her. So that is what I'm doing. Placing the pattern on the fabric, the Paradise, adding the necessary allowances to it, and so that I can cut it out. Yes, so that is what I'm doing now. I said let me make a corset dress for her. Hey, not knowing I was going to put myself in some kind of stress because I was working under pressure. You let's go on and you understand my point as we go on. So please fam, watch this video for me, okay? So I placed the down part on the lace to also cut it. So yes, and then after I decided to join them together. So this is it, the corset part, that is the upper part made corset. I have added my stiff to all the linings. Yes, so I'm using lining also for this, added all the stiff and trying to join them together. If the upper part I made it in a Victorian. Okay, so I decided to make it in a Victorian corset form. Yes, that is what I planned doing. Until after going through like 80% with the corset, I realized that nah, Charlie. So I'm adding boning to it at this moment, adding boning to the lining parts. Yes, the lining that I'm going to use it to turn the dress. And this is the down part that I'm adding zip to it. Yes, I'm done sewing the down part and I'm adding my zip to it. Yes, so wherever you are watching me from, please like and share this video and leave a comment, okay? At this point, I was so stressed. I'm using less than 5 days to make the dress for her. Charlie, and I was not also feeling too well. So you can understand the pressure on me and the stress I was going through. So let's go on with the making of the dress. Yes, so fam, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. I have a tutorial on Victorian corsets on my YouTube channel. I have a video of the dartless skirts on my YouTube channel as well, which you can watch and then get to know how to go about it for yourself. Okay, very simple. When you learn how to make dartless skirts, you would not worry yourself making skirt with that every now and then. You fall in love with that. Let's get it, very simple to make. Yeah, so this is the down part. You see abuskeleke. My sister is hippie. She has a lot of hips. So this is the modesty panel that So I was this point adding the lace, the upper part, the net to it. So this is the front part, adding the net to it. So after adding the net to the front part, and I was going to join the back to the lining to it. Yes, I even joined the lining to it, you see. Now this is where I realized there is a mistake somewhere with the back. I don't know why. I tried to correct it like several times. The back was not aligning, so I said, Charlie, I can't go through the stress. I put it aside because as at this point I had like less than 2 days to finish, so I have to draw a new pattern. Yes, a new pattern. And this time around I decided not to do Victorian corset because I had less than 48 hours to finish. So I decided to do shoulder bastia. Yes, shoulder bastia, and then add boning to it for her because looking at the I don't know, because I was working under pressure, I realized that I was making a lot of mistakes with the corset, the Victorian corset that I decided to make for her. So I have to put it aside and then make a new draft of how do you call it, shoulder bastia. Yes, shoulder bastia princess, that, or how do you call it? Yes. So this is me trying to cross check everything, and then I will, after cutting the how do you call it, the pattern, I'm going to place it on the fabric to cut it. Yes. And then, so please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video for me. So this is me cutting the yoke that I'm going to, that is what I will use for the lace. Yes. And then also cutting through the darts. Yes. Charlie, it's not easy. I had less than 48 hours to make this top that I'm trying to make, and at this point I was so tired. I was not feeling so well. I realized I was not having or getting enough sleep, and so it was affecting me in my performance. I work a little and I realized that, Charlie, I need rest. But if I decide to sleep, Charlie, it means I'm not going to make the dress. So, and also knowing that I have something doing, even if I decide to sleep, I can't sleep, and I cannot afford to disappoint my sister, Charlie. So I have to make sure I will sacrifice and make the dress for her. Yes. So after I also, this is the back pattern, the back pattern also. Yes, this is it after drafting that, also cutting everything through. Please like and share this video for me. Leave a comment as well. Charlie, support me, okay, by liking, leaving a comment, sharing this video with your friends or anyone at all who would like to learn something about sewing. So yes, this is the back pattern. So this back to, I added the yoke and I was cross-checking everything, and then I'm going to cut the yoke. Yes. Charlie. And I'm going to cut through the dart as well. Knowing that my younger sister is graduating from the university, the kind of joy it gives me, if I decide to explain my joy, we will not finish this video today. Yes, it's not just the fact that she went through the university and she's graduating or she has graduated, no, but Charlie, the reason is very deep for me, and I thank God for her life. So I decided to place the pattern on my sleeve and then cut them out. So yes, this is it. After cutting, I joined everything off camera. I realized that, Charlie, if I decide to video everything, is going to be very long. So at this point I was adding the net to it, and I was doing it with my hand. Yes, needlework. Yes, this is where needlework is very necessary, needed. So this is the back pattern. Yes, then after I went to the machine to go and then join everything together. uh the stress was not easy. The stress was stressing. Oh my goodness. So after joining everything together, I asked her to wear for me to do the necessary corrections. And at this point, I could see from her eyes that she's so happy, Charlie. Because when I was having difficulties with the corset, I realized that she was a bit down. She felt, I don't know, maybe she felt, hey, this dress will not be done, or my sister will not be able to finish it for me. And so this time I decided to do draping, or how do you call it? Yes, the lace on the inner part. Yes, so this is me. Yes, trying to drape. Yes. So as I was doing this, she was on her way to go and get her hair done, because this was a day to her graduation. Charlie, a day to her graduation. Oh yes, so this particular scene is a day to her graduation. So she had to go and get her hair done, and I was also working on her dress. And it was evening, getting to the evening. I gave her the assurance that by the time she will come, I'll be done. Yes. At a point, she wanted to say, Sister Ruth, it's okay, let me wear it like that without the lace. But since I've made up my mind, I want to do this for her, I will do it. I didn't want her to feel sad. It was a day, and I really wanted her to enjoy, be happy. Nothing should stop her from being happy. Yes, so I said I will stress myself and finish the dress for her. So this is less than 24 hours to her graduation. Oh, Charlie. So I have to complete it. It wasn't easy, because as at this point I was exhausted. I was going through a lot of pains, headache, stress. I could feel within me that, Charlie, I am not fine. But I still need to do it. And I'm so happy I did it. Charlie, I'm so happy. And so this is me working on it. In case you don't know how to do draping, or yes, your lace draping, how do you call it? Let me know. If in case you don't know, watch me and learn. So after doing the necessary things, I'm using my needle and fishing line to hold the lace and the fabric, the inner part in place. Yes, I did it so well that you will not even see. Yes, so adding the down part to it. Yes. And so I'm going to make a basket waistline, not too deep. I went in like 3-4 inches. Yes. So I'm going to cut it, and after, I'm going to use my needle and fish line, or fishing line, to secure it in place, to join the down to the upper part. Abi, you bab. I know you bab, Charlie. At this point, your girl is tired. So I folded it in 1/2 inch like this. Perfecto. Yes, and then used a needle and a fishing line to join them together very well, in a way that you will not see. Even if you are a witch and you decide to go and poke your eyes in it, you still not see it. So yes, okay, so at this point I was also working at the back part, finishing the lace, attaching the lace to the back, finishing it very well. Okay. The beads down there, she did it. She did. My sister can bead, so she did it. Okay. Okay, so at this point, my head was aching, bashing me seriously, but I needed to finish hard. I didn't want to stop because if I stop and go and sleep, I can't continue. The next day is the graduation day, and around this time it was 9 p.m. Yes, 9 p.m. and I still needed to finish hard. My head was really aching, my whole body was on fire. But Charlie, I need to finish. I need to finish hard. Okay, so this is it. Finally, this is the morning. Yes, the morning at dawn. We finished the beading, that is the sleeve part, the beading at dawn. When she came, I was left with adding the beads and also some of the design from the dress. So she added the design from the lace to the shoulder, and also I helped her Adon to do the beading because she was also tired. So this is it, Charlie. Isn't it beautiful? And this is her getting ready for her graduation. So the lace part, the net part, yes, at the back I didn't add a button because I decided that we should tie it because her hair is going to fall on it, so there was no need adding any button or anything like that. So we decided to tie it this way, you see. Yes, so I snatched a small waist for her, and this is my sister. Oh, she's looking so pretty. Oh, this is her on her graduation, looking scrumptious like Ghana Jollof. And I want to say congratulations to her. I'm so happy that she went through the university successfully. May God bless her and make her great, great, great. Congratulations, Franca. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.